Hello guys, this is Hazel Witch. Yes, I changed my name from Cosmica to Hazel Witch. Because my Instagram name is Hazel Witch, and my mom was nagging me for days. So yeah, I finally changed it. And now for the reading, as you guys can see on the thumbnail, it is about who is your soulmate. So this reading is going to be, as everyone told me, that why don't you make something about love. So yeah, this is something about love. So let's get to the topic. And yeah, this is pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. Okay, timestamps are down in the description below. Go and check it out. Hello guys, whoever chose this crystal quartz, this is your reading for pile 1. Firstly, I see that this man is very introverted. Okay, your soulmate is very introverted. They are very knowledgeable kind of person. They are very sensible person, but they have that vibe to them, like they have that mystic aura to them, like they don't open up to people easily. Okay, they are very creative, but they just suppress themselves. They don't show their creativity to others because they feel that others may not take it in the same light, if that makes sense. This person is very future oriented. Okay, your soulmate has those qualities of being a ruler. They can be very dominant, but they have that selfless nature to them. Okay, even if they seem very cold sometimes, but they have that charm to them. They are very selfless. Okay, your soulmate is very selfless. They don't talk to people, not because they can't. They don't talk much to people because they think that no one will accept them as they are. Okay, so this is something that your soulmate needs to overcome. You also may have the same quality, like you may not feel very easy to open up to other people when you meet them first, but as you go along, you come out of your shell, like this one. So this is in its own shell. This person likes to have their own company. They may not have many friends, but as a child they were very creative, and they have a very good technical knowledge. For some reason, I'm seeing they are a good leader. Okay, they sometimes do have that kind of thought of, you may say, they feel like other people will distract them, if that makes sense. Like they don't bond with other people too much because they feel that no one will accept them as they are. Okay, so they can be a little bit closed off from their heart chakra. Okay, pardon my English. They can be a little bit closed off, but the main thing I'm seeing here is they are very wonderful people. Okay, wonderful people. They want to create balance in their life. They want to have everything disciplined. They are very disciplined. Okay, if you are not so disciplined, then they are just know that they are very disciplined. And this person has a, as I told you, this person has a mystical vibe to them. Okay, this person may be very tall. Okay, tall and have sharp features. This person likes to have his own company. As I told you, this person is very independent kind of person. Okay, you cannot mess with this person. This person is the kind of person who will throw you out if you mess with them. I'm not meaning it in a bad sense, but I'm talking about people who mess with them, not about you. So it's like this person needs someone in their life who can actually make them open to love. Like, this person may have had a lot of experiences in life which were not that good when it comes to love and friendship. This person may have been betrayed a lot of times in their life, but the most important thing I'm seeing over here, that this person still have that inner child in them who wants love, who wants the love of another person. Like, this person is so hard, like, you may ask questions like, this person, why is this person so hard on themselves? So the simple answer is that they were not loved like they wanted to when they were a child. They have a lot of inner child wounds. So another thing I'm seeing over here, that they have their own type of aesthetic. Okay, they have their own type of aesthetic. They are very how to say that, they want their life to be their way. Okay, so you may have also that quality of being very independent and not by going following others rules. So the most important thing I am seeing over here is this person is very open when it comes to someone they love, but this person may not have any good kind of relationship in their life, so they are very suppressed, and mostly this person blames themselves. That's why they try to like keep themselves away from other people so that they don't hurt, like he or she doesn't hurt them. Okay, there are another two cards, but I will get to them later. So yeah, this is the Hermit card of this deck. Okay, this is the Hermit card, and this may show that they are very much, they are mentally very strong. Okay, they are like, I am mentally very strong and I can take care of myself, I do not need other people. But deep down they do need other people, because we can see like they are blocking their heart chakra over here. Okay, so here is also a sword, so they are not letting other people come into their life. Okay, so this person has this person may cry but won't let others see that. Okay, this person may cry alone at night. Like, this person prefers their own company. Okay, this person won't like to go out and party. This person would rather sit in home and draw mandalas, maybe, I don't know, I'm just giving example, or work. This person also can be very workaholic. Okay, this person can be like that. This person has a very sharp tongue. Okay, very sharp tongue, as in this person is very straightforward, and if you are doing something they don't like, they will say it on your face. Okay, they will say it on your face. They are very straightforward, and they have a lot of, people like them, but they are not sure people will like their true self or not, because they are so introverted and they don't want to be seen by others. Okay, this person is the person who is responsible for all the good things in life, but this person is in the backstage. Like, you can say this person is managing the whole show, and no one sees this person, but the whole show was because of them, and no one thanks them. They thank the anchor, they thank the people who are in that show, but no one thanks the person who had the idea behind the whole scene. Okay, for some reason I'm also seeing that this person can be quite into computer science. Okay, can be a programmer. Another thing I'm seeing is that this person has a lack of gratefulness in their life. Okay, this person smiles, of course this person does smile. This is not a pessimistic person. I'm not saying that. This person is very positive, but they have like that thing to them. They are very confident. Okay, they are very confident. They have won so many battles in their life, like they are not even celebrating much of that. Like they are not even grateful anymore of any battles that they win. Okay, so I will take out the next card, that is the Jade. So the Jade talks about health, wealth and happiness. So here is also the color green, and this also signifies the heart chakra. So that is what I wanted to say. Like this person may have a blocked heart chakra right now, but after you meet this person will be very cheerful. This person will learn to live life again. Okay, if you are already with this person, then you may have seen a lot of changes in this person. As I'm saying this, you may say that this was his past self or this was her past self, but actually it's true, because without you they are very closed off. Okay, you may you give them hope in their life. Okay, if you have not met this person, I'm telling you, you will give them a lot of hope in their life, and you will like share your positivity with them. They need it. Okay, they need it. As I'm telling this, I just saw 1111. Okay, so yeah, that's a very good sign. Next card we have is celebration. So yeah, as I was telling that this person lacks gratefulness in their life. This person needs to be grateful. That's what spirits want to tell this person. Like this person has everything in their life, and that is because like this person is a very self-made person. This person doesn't take help of others. That is why like he or she has done so much in life that they feel this person really feels that everything is done by me only. Who would I thank? Like they have a little bit lack of faith. But what I see is that they still have that faith in themselves. Like they can still continue to have faith, but they need a person like you in their life who will help them to shine brighter, like this citrine aura. So this citrine ray gives hope and cheerfulness. As you know, in celebration we all get cheerful and we all celebrate our accomplishments, our achievements. So this person needs to cheer up. Okay, this person is not a pessimist, I'm repeating again and again, but this person has a lack of gratefulness in their life. That is one reason of them blocking their heart chakra, because they have never found anyone who can accept them as they are. Okay, they have a very beautiful vibe to them, even if it is not like the cards may not show, but I'm telling you, when I see this card I feel like a very beautiful vibe. This card is so beautiful. I feel so beautiful when I see this card. So it is so colorful. So this person is very colorful inside, but this person doesn't show that. Okay, this person is the person responsible for every good thing, but is in the backstage and no one knows their name, that kind of. Okay, but this person is the leader, this person is the maker, this person is the creator. You are getting my point. Okay, this person may have had their relationships very bad with not very bad but not great with their mother or a parent figure, because their inner child is very wounded. They have abandonment issues, okay? They have a lot of abandonment issues. They feel they don't get along with anyone because they feel like when they come to know their when they come to know their true self, they will leave, and that person will be alone, and that person doesn't want that. You're getting my point, right? So yeah, it is very much needed. This person has a very kingly vibe to them, so maybe not many people try to go and talk to them directly, and some may even fear them, okay? This person has that professor type of vibe, like big professor, not much people saying anything, that kind of vibe. This person is very educated, and if not like degrees, it is more like knowledge and experience. This person is very experienced at what they do. Amazing, just amazing this person is. If you get to know them, you will understand how amazing they are, okay? So yeah, that was your reading. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me, and thank you so much for sticking till the end. And yeah, for the next pile, bye bye. Hello guys, so whoever chose pile number 2 or this lapis lazuli, this is your pile, and I will start with the reading. So first and foremost, this person is very social, very outgoing, may have a lot of friends. Like this person is very how to say, this person may have a very good sense of humor, and they love to show their skills to people, okay? So like they are at a party and they may brag about their skills, or they just have some skills, and no one will even no one will guess that this funny guy has so many skills and this person is so great, okay? So they may look funny from outside. I don't mean like funny, I mean they are very funny. So they may look funny, but when you go and talk to them, you understand that they have tremendous amount of potential, okay? These people are the kind of people who can study for 2 nights before exam and get the best grade in the class. That kind of person. This person is very action oriented, can be a fire sign. Mostly I'm seeing fire and air, but yeah, fire sign. This person has a lot of how to say, this person is very balanced, but more people think that they are very outgoing and they don't do anything else than that. But the truth is that they are one of the most talented people you will ever meet, okay? They have a lot of talent. They may I'm just giving an example, like they may be a guitarist and they are also something else like an artist, or they may be a cook and they are also a programmer. So that kind of, I'm telling, they have a lot of skill. This person is very active, okay? This person is very physically active. This person may have that that kind of figure which is very sharp. I mean like very well built muscles and all that. People think that this person will just, you know, this person is so funny that they may not do much in life, but then they get to know that they are in the biggest company and getting the best salary, and they had their best marks, and they are still going out and having fun without having tension in life. Like they are very carefree kind of people. They want people to be together. They don't want to separate, okay? They are very helpful of their friends. They always help their friends when they are in need. So they are like the class clown, you can say, okay, but they are also the first grader. I mean, the person who gets the best grade. Sorry. uh, and another thing I'm seeing over here is this person has a lot of this person is kind of lazy sometimes this person is kind of lazy. As I told, this person can be very active, but sometimes this person is very lazy and they're like, I will do that later. That is why I told this person procrastinates a lot, okay. That is why I told that this person studies just 2 days before the exam and they crack it, because they have that confidence in them that they can crack anything, okay. They have that vibe to them, like I can do anything. They are very knowledgeable people, very much potential, and they are like the sharpest minds, okay. They can be very good at business. They may also be a good card player, okay. Another thing I'm seeing, that this person can be lazy sometimes and procrastinate and may talk to people like, I'm just giving a very normal example. Example is, you say that you are going to fail in class and then you top, okay. So that kind of vibe to them, like they won't brag about themselves like that, but when it comes to showing their talent, they will absolutely they will. They have a very wild vibe to them, okay. They have a very wild vibe to them. As you can see, this card speaks about confidence, and taking action also talks about procrastination, that you procrastinate or not. This person can be a little less grounded, okay. This person has concentration issues, like this person has potential, but he may not use that, okay. He is so playful, he is so childlike that he is, I can do that later, I have the potential, I have the confidence, I can do that later, that kind of vibe. So they may not end up completing their task, or they will complete their task but after the deadline is met, right. So this person has a very fiery vibe to them, okay. This person has a very strong fiery vibe to them, very strong people. Yeah, another thing I'm seeing is that this person is very smart. If I have not included that, this person is very smart and clever. This person knows how to get out of problems without like causing themselves any trouble, or this person is like the savior, okay. This person is the savior. You go to this person and this person saves you from the biggest mess, okay. Without, like, this person may look like they don't even do any effort to get what they deserve, okay. This person can be very fit, but right now I see them very much procrastinating and maybe sleeping. That can be one thing happening over here. But this person is coming out of their shell and getting into that, either they are extremes, they are the extremes kind of people. They either work too much or doesn't work at all, okay. They have that extremeness to them. This person has a very beautiful vibe to them. There's something about their hair. I guess in the previous reading also I told that, but in this reading I am seeing that again. There's something about their hair that makes people like them. So yeah, another thing, okay, I'll get the another card that yeah. So this card says reconciliation. reconciliation with the violet flame. So it clearly shows that this person is the kind of person who would like to be um, who would like to be at peace with everyone and not fight. Okay, this person would want everyone to have equal rights and equality, and this person has such an amazing vibe to them. This person feels very deeply about everyone, even this person is, first of all, this person is very intuitive. Okay, this person has a very good balance of their masculine and feminine energy. Like, they really enjoy their life. They don't sit and bore themselves. They are very joyful and they enjoy their lives. So this person wants people to be together, and this person loves gatherings, and they are also very intuitive, and they know who is telling the truth and who is lying. Okay, so yeah, that was your reading. Please let me know in the comments down below if you resonated with it, and please like, share and comment on this video. This really helps me. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye bye. Hello guys, so everyone who chose pile 3, this is your reading. Pile 3 was this carnelian stone. So this is your reading, and yeah, so let's start. Firstly, what I'm seeing here is this person has suffered a lot of heartbreaks in their life. Okay, this person has like failed many times in their life, but they are still standing up and moving on. Okay, this person is the kind of person who doesn't give up. Okay, they are not going to give up easily on anything in their life. This person is very hardworking, very like, they will do anything that needs to be done when it comes to their work. Unlike the second pile, this person is like, they would like, in the second pile it was like, you will get what you desire but with the least amount of efforts. But this pile, this person is very much ready to put efforts in what they want. This person won't take shortcuts. Okay, like, this person had many failures in their life, and they stood up, and now they are very prosperous. Like, they are maybe very rich. Okay, and some of them have got the best results out of their life. They have that kind of feeling to them, you know. They are very they were like, they made mistakes in the past and they learned from it. Okay, they are not like the kind of people who will make mistakes and then keep on making mistakes without learning from the past. They are the kind of people who will keep learning after each mistake they make. Okay, this person has a very this person suffered a lot. Maybe in their childhood this person suffered from lack of wealth in their life. Okay, so may have suffered from poverty. This person had seen things and lived moments in their life, those are very harsh, but they stood up again and they bloomed. Okay, so this person is like the real inspiration anyone can ever get. So this person, even after like getting with so much mess, this person still have the courage to stand up and get their things done. This person have that very beautiful vibe to them. They are natural healers and they can be very motivational speakers. Okay, when people feel very down, they go to them and they are like, it will happen, everything will happen so good, it will happen better than you can imagine. So this person has very cheering vibe to them. This person will make you understand like no one else did. This person is an amazing lover. Like this person is the kind of person you will dream of. Okay, this person has that very how to say, that very bold kind of aura to them. Okay, this person may have an orange or yellow colored aura. This person is very creative and has like, this person is very intelligent, very creative, but all they have been like, they are a very self-made person. They have lost many loved ones in their life. Like they had a very roller coaster type of past. Okay, but right now they are at a position that they have earned everything by themselves, and they love to be in a family kind of environment. They love to take care of people. They want to serve people like they wanted to be served. Like, you know, they want to serve people like he want himself to be treated. No one treated this person so well, so this person wants to treat everyone very well. Seems like a very beautiful hearted person, and this person has, again, there's something about their hair. Oh my god, I'm saying again and again this thing. There's something about their hair, it's very beautiful. This person may have suffered from anything related to fire. Okay, any kind of thing burning. I feel it like, even if this card, I'm not saying it physically, but for some reason it feels like this person somehow just maybe burned themselves. Okay, like this person has gone through things that have burned them, and they are like the phoenix rising from the ashes. You can get that vibe from them. Even after being treated so harshly and getting so much failure in their life, they never give up, and they are the kindest soul you can meet. Okay, they are natural healers, and they have very, very beautiful vibe to them. You may have seen this person in your dreams also, just like you have never thought that this is the same person, right? You may never have recognized this person. As I was saying, that this person needs kind of people in their life whom they can trust. This person loves children. This person wants to have a family with the person they love, and they want to like travel, they want to set up their business, they want to be an entrepreneur. Like they are the best kind of people you will ever know. Okay, so we have another 2 more cards. Let me check. So the next 2 cards are this Emerald and Archangel Uriel's card. So let's talk about this. As I told you, this person is a self-made person. Okay, so this person believes in themselves. This person really believes in themselves. This person, I don't know why it's not getting focused, but yeah, this person believes in themselves. This person doesn't doubt, because they have faced situations in their life that they felt that they will not be able to cope up, and then they did. So they never worry about their financial security anymore, because they are very abundant, they are very prosperous. As I told you, like they feel themselves, they are very grateful for whatever they have. Okay, they feel very fortunate, feel very, very fortunate even after so much hardships, and that is something to be recognized in people. like this person is likely to be going into spirituality after some time. If this person is not so spiritual right now, this person is going to be into spirituality. This person has a very holy vibe to them. As I told you, this person is a healer. This person is a very very charismatic soul, very beautiful soul. This person has so much to give to the world, so much. Like this person have lived their karmic life, and this person wants to be liberated. Okay, this person wants to be liberated. This person is an amazing guide to people. This person would love to guide people when they need it. They are very confident. They are very confident and very creative, very enthusiastic, very they don't procrastinate. Okay, they don't procrastinate. They are the real hard workers. Okay, they are also very intuitive, as I told you with the dream card. They can be a Pisces. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is the biggest thing I'm getting over here, but if that is not true, then they can be a Leo. Okay, so this person always felt different since childhood. Like this person always was into this person was like, I do care about money and I also care about you. This person wasn't like all about love or all about money. This person was both. This person had a very balanced life, but still this person faced a lot of difficulties, but they coped up with that, as I told you. So I don't know why it is not focusing. Yeah, so this person does have an amazing vibe to them, as I was telling you. With the healer thing I'm seeing here, pink aura. Pink aura means very loving, very kind, and this is also, see, this is also pink. So it seems like this person is very kind, can be very drawn to animals, and very much I'm all the time I'm talking about this reading and I'm getting the word healer in my mind again and again. So this person can also be into the field of spirituality and they are a real healer. And if that's not true, then they are a healer, but they know it, others don't. You're getting my point, right? So yeah, that was your reading. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful to me if you do. So yeah, thank you for sticking till the end, and bye bye.